Hello everyone, it's Sweet Talk with Swpea again. This week we've got so much to show everyone else.
Yes, like we have.
I actually feel as if we're in a windstorm of seasons.
Try to go through them quickly.
And themes. So we've got piles of stuff everywhere. We haven't been on for a couple of weeks, so we've got a lot to show you.
Definitely. So, where do you want to start?
Shall we start at the top?
Sure. I don't know what the top is.
The top of the pile, Allison.
Okay, the top of the pile. Sounds good.
So this was just released. This is one of our new Christmas designs.
Beautiful gnome quilt.
So it's called the Silly Season Shenanigans quilt.
Yes.
So that's a bit of a tongue twister.
Yes.
There's lots of blocks in this.
Yeah, this is very versatile. They're all square blocks.
Yep.
So you can put them together however you like.
And some of them are kind of double blocks that make a...
it's lovely because it has these just the like quilting blocks as well.
Yep.
Applique ones that you could make this into a much larger quilt by doing like rows of them or whatever.
So we've done it kind of in a muted sort of colour scheme. But I imagine it would look beautiful in really bright,
depends what your
colours, just
your taste is.
Your decor is.
We've done a lot of bright gnome designs, so
yeah,
we thought we'd do one in something a bit different, so you could see what it looks like.
There's so much detail in our in these blocks. Like, if you come back this way, James. This one here is a little gnome house, but it's done like a Christmas pudding.
Yeah, it is.
With the icing on top and the cherries.
Actually, and the same up here. This one's a mushroom house,
little,
and it's got the icing on top.
So the more you look in these blocks, the more detail that you see.
Yeah.
I love the detail in the gnome's beards. Look at the shading in that. It's just beautiful, Allison.
So that's for Christmas, or I guess it could be any time of year, but I think that's the only Christmas one we have to show you at the moment.
Yes, so that's our Christmas theme. So we'll get on to Thanksgiving and fall.
Okay, yeah.
So, I mean, we're worldwide, so actually where we are in Australia, we're coming into spring and summer. So
we also have a sale on spring design.
Yes,
so after
we'll
we finish with our autumn and fall,
but we realise that those in the northern hemisphere are going through their fall season, autumn season. So we're going to be showing lots of different things.
Yes. Okay. So top of the pile.
Yep.
How cute is this? It's called our turkey hanger. It's done in rectangular blocks. And
just let me do this, Allison. So there we go.
Yeah. Put it down actually for James. And it says, "Give thanks with a grateful heart."
That'd be good.
This
on
is my favourite one that we have for fall, actually.
It'd be good on a door, wouldn't it?
It'd be beautiful. I think Jenny Pecora's already got it on her door.
She's pretty quick.
Yeah.
You could also leave the little tabs, the hanging tabs off, and just leave it as some sort of a
put on the table
mat, sort of.
Actually, how cute would they be?
Yeah, it would be
on your table. Anyway, that's that one.
So whizzing through.
Yes, and then
this is absolutely beautiful, Allison. This is our Harvest Quilt Set. So the blocks make up this beautiful picture in the middle.
Look at this border.
Yeah.
Like, that is spectacular.
I actually like the way the blue sky really pops against the autumnal colours.
Yep. Emma's designed it too, so you can add like more of these along the side, this one here.
Yeah.
Along the side if you're making a larger quilt to sort of fill in the gaps. And the same actually along here. This could be just repeated more times. So that's how Emma's designed that, especially.
But again, there is so much detail. Look, I just noticed on that branch there's a little bird.
And look at these gorgeous
sunflowers. Have you ever seen more beautiful sunflowers stitched out? That's not fabric, that's embroidery.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And an embroidered black cat sitting on a pumpkin.
Actually, it's made with our threads too. And from this angle, they're just absolutely shining. Can you see them?
Don't they?
Yeah.
The beautiful sheen on
And the good thing about our threads, when they're not metallic, means you have the less breakages that metallic
and
threads are known for.
Our threads have even less breakages than normal embroidery threads anyway. So,
and I know that we've picked out the branches of the trees too, and we've used our PU leather.
Yeah.
So that gives it a shine to make it look like trunks.
Yeah.
You can use anything, but that's beautiful. That's our harvest quilt set design. Okay, so that's it for fall Thanksgiving.
Oh, here we are.
Now this one isn't a theme.
No.
So
it's just a new release.
A new release. This is our moon phases.
Yeah.
So we get lots of requests for sort of astrological sort of designs, don't we?
Yeah, we do, yeah. Well, we try to do designs for everyone. It's also got crystals and that in if you're a crystal fan.
Actually, I think we've got it upside down. Can I just turn it around, please, James?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the...
Never see then these flowers are this way.
Oh, okay.
It's an any way.
Oh, it is too. There's mushrooms this way and there's
Yeah.
My apologies.
It's all right.
But that's beautiful, and that's made with one of our sort of shiny PU faux leathers, but you can make it in anything you like. Mm-hmm. So that's the Moon Phases Table Runner.
Yep.
All these designs are available online now, so usually when it's a new release they're listed on the front page so you can see it, but you can also use the search bar up the top, type in, if you're after something with a moon, type in moon, turkeys, all the turkey designs will come up.
Yeah.
So it's pretty easy to follow.
Sometimes you'll get something that's not a turkey design, I have noticed. It's like a surprise design.
This is also non-seasonal or themed,
but it's so cute.
It is so cute. It is called, Allison?
Fill Your Heart.
Purse.
Purse, yes, I think it would be a purse. How clever is that?
Yes.
And when you open it, inside, it has another zipper, so you can close your purse properly if you have cash or anything in there.
I just love the way it highlights the fussy cut. Well, it's sort of like fussy cut.
Actually, we should have brought our rulers.
Oh, yeah, you could show.
Show you how if you use one of our square rulers and that has that crosshair in the centre, you can actually centre.
I'll just see if I have one.
You can actually centre your design in the heart there because the heart's in the centre of the hoop.
I don't think I have one.
I think actually you make the flap first, so when it's in the hoop too, you can put the flap on top of your fabric and move your fabric around to make sure you get that in the heart. So
that's so cute, so cute. We actually had a couple more made. But I can't find them. They're somewhere.
Gives you an idea of size. I think that was made in the 6x10.
Yeah. So now we're on to Halloween, which is celebrated universally.
Now I think that could be around this way for the flowers.
So this is our Roses and Caskets table runner. So you can make it as small or as large as you like.
Which sounds pretty creepy, but actually it is so sophisticated.
It is very sophisticated, isn't it? That the roses are beautiful.
The roses are done.
And with the dark stitching on it really highlights it.
Yeah.
I mean,
and the caskets are subtle.
Yeah, that's right.
It's actually
you don't even really know.
No.
You wouldn't even know what it was.
No.
It's really, really pretty.
Absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, so that's that design. Then we've got a cutesy one. And it's called our cute ghost table runner.
Still very original with our names as per usual.
So Emma did this one, didn't she? Sylvana did. I should know by the little eyes. Yeah. They've all got their little personalities.
Yeah.
So you could use these blocks on anything, Alison, couldn't you? You could use it on a trick or treat bag. You could put it on a child's t-shirt.
Yep.
Gorgeous. This
yeah, they'd be beautiful. Yeah, just as appliques.
Yeah, I think so. They're beautiful. Very
cute. You could put them on tea towels or something, so to have them up for Halloween. Yeah. That's what says "boo" on the flag. Just cute.
Very cute.
All right.
Okay, and then this has just been released as well. This is our Halloween bench pillow.
How good is that?
Wouldn't that be good sitting on a veranda? Ooh. It's quite stuffed, but we like. Well, when you're sitting against it, you want to have a lot of support. Yeah. So again, there's lots of detail in there.
And you could use that for a table runner or something too.
You could even really nice
embroider your name or something on it.
Yeah.
And for your family's table.
Oh yes, leave it as a table runner.
Like a table. All you do is leave out the
don't
stuffing. And in fact, you could just make it as a cushion.
And be versatile, wouldn't it?
Yeah, use it as a cushion or a table runner, depending on what you want to use it for.
That's really cute.
Cheers.
So again, that'll be on the front page of our website, but if you type in Halloween in the search bar, you'll see all our Halloween designs.
Yeah. And Martin's done some great instructions too For this pillow we've used cam snaps, and that's all in the instructions on how to make a cushion.
So with our instructions, you get the instructions, of course, how to do the in the hoopings for the panels, but we give you the instructions to make the whole thing, and we're improving, like we're finding new techniques all the time, aren't we? So there's always something to learn. With our
and if you don't want to use the can snap method on our YouTube channel, if you go to that, you'll find other methods of making cushion backing too. So.
And the binding on it, that just makes it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just makes it look more sophisticated.
Very sophisticated.
Okay, so that's...
And now we're getting ready for winter, and now we're going to get ready for summer.
Yeah, but we'll just launch into our sew-alongs first.
Well, this is summary. How pretty is that?
So this is our Keeping It Simple sew-along, which a lot of you would have seen. So,
of course, if you do the sew-along, you'll get 30% off the design. In fact, you don't even have to sew it with the sew-along. You just need to join the sew-along
If
you join the sew-along group, the discount code's posted there.
That's
you'll find the discount code.
And that's till the end of the month.
Posted there.
And then we do have prizes. We pick some winners, and you get great prizes, free designs.
And people making this in all different colours too, like red and whites and black and whites. And
so the links for the sew-alongs will be below in the video.
Fabulously versatile.
And then another, Halloween sort of themed table runner, Allison. It's our Confection Perfection table runner.
So it's going to make everything fall off the shelf.
So, I mean, it can be used any times, actually. You could use that for birthday parties.
Wouldn't that be
anything festive?
For a birthday party to have on the table.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
So we've used our Sweet Shop fabric and our Pretty and Ink fabric, a mixture of it. But any bright fabrics I think would look great. Look at all of the great quilting on there, stitching.
Yep, we've used a variegated thread for that.
So again, we sort of did it for the theme of Halloween, but it can be used for anything. So that's the Confection Perfection.
And it's a sew-along as well.
Yep.
So if you go to the sew-along group for that as well, you'll get 30% off the design too. So even if you don't want to actually do the sew-along at the time, you can purchase it for future.
Both sew-alongs are running to the end of the month, but all the details will be in the individual groups, and we'll have the details.
And it comes in a 4x4 too for anyone who has a smaller hoop, as does actually the other cushion we just showed you, the Kiss sew-along.
Okay, Allison, so now the big sale.
Yeah.
So it's 40% off selected spring designs. We have hundreds of spring designs on the website. So we've selected some of the favourites. So these have been favourites over the years.
And actually we don't even have time to go through all the ones that are on sale.
Some of them.
So we have a landing page on the website.
Yeah.
And when you click on that sale one, it'll take you to the landing page, and on that page it will have all the designs that are included in the sale. So make sure you have a look.
And you'll see all of these designs listed. We can go through a few of them. Do you want to, Allison?
Yeah. Oh, will we start with these?
The runners, yes.
As soon as we have a little pile here. Oh, I can take these across and you have one.
So this is called our Autumn Flowers Table Runner, which is a bit strange to have it in a spring design. But we were just thinking floral, so it doesn't have to be. You could do it really bright and they would be looking spring.
And that's why
flowers.
You should have a look too
at
that landing page, because there are some things you might not expect.
That's right.
But it's a lot of the designs that have been favourites.
And then in the design details on the website, we list what the flowers are. So don't even ask me what they are, but they do have names.
Yes.
So that's the autumn one. And then we have the spring one, which has been an all-time favourite table runner.
And a lot of people have combined these two table runners actually, and made quilts out of them. Bags, you could use a few panels on the front of a bag.
Really, really pretty. And we do have add-on blocks too. So if there's flowers on here that... if there's flowers that you like that aren't on this table runner, we've probably got them listed as add-on blocks that are on the sale as well, but they're listed on the page.
I'm trying to think what one of the add-on blocks is.
There's a rose.
Oh, a rose, yes.
There's a sunflower.
And a sunflower, okay.
There's probably a couple of other ones, but I can't remember, because this is quite an old design.
Yeah.
So that's that. And keeping in our plant theme, sort of spring theme.
This is so pretty.
Beautiful. I can't remember the name of this, Allison. What is it called?
Indoor Plants Table Runner.
Yes, of course it is. So
which is your favourite one?
I like the spathiphyllums or the peace lily.
I like this one.
I think that's called a cordyline.
Yeah, cordyline.
That's like a ivy, another ivy, and that's like a pothos plant, I think they're called. Everybody here at work really are into their indoor plants, so that was always on our list of things to do.
Yeah.
But again, this is a versatile design. You could use these blocks on anything. You could make beautiful cushions for your patio or veranda or something like that on an outdoor lounge.
Or even in a caravan or something where you don't have room for plants, and if you're a plant lover, you could put that up in your caravan or something.
You could have them framed. Just an individual frame.
Good.
Like in a nice little timber frame.
Give the feeling of indoor plants in a small space.
When we do this video thing, I get all these designs that I want to make.
I know.
I get so frustrated because I don't have the time to do it. And then this one's called our Abstract Flower Table Runner. So this was a sew-along years ago that we had. Very popular design. Yeah. And again, this was made in a 4x4. Can be made in the larger sizes as well.
Yep.
But this is a good one if you've only got a 4x4 hoop, because you can actually make quite a good table runner with it.
And you can make it bigger or actually longer as well easily by just adding another one row of the blocks around.
And we give the layout for it, so how you assemble the rows.
Yeah.
Because there is a technique to getting this
quite
design.
Backed, quite simple to do the backing.
Yeah.
Actually very simple. So
that's the Abstract Flowers table runner. Again, these are all going to be shown on the website that you'll see. We've got bags for sale. There's at least another 2 bags that I didn't put out here. That's our Daisy zipper bag, our Daisy Trapunto bag. We've got pillow designs. These are all 40% off. Beautiful wedge.
That's one of my favourites.
Yeah, table centres. And then there's another one up there, Alison.
Oh, this one here?
Yep.
A citrus one?
A citrus one. And then there's the spinning wheel one, which is absolutely beautiful.
And we're seeing a lot of those being posted up in different colourways. So and you might not be able to pick it up in a quick look, but that's a beautiful little bit of embroidery around the edge there. That you can leave off as well. So I noticed some people have left that bit of embroidery off, but there's absolutely beautiful quilting all over this. So this is something that in real life looks so much better than.
Yeah, that's right. And then we've got some spring flags up there. So pretty much.
This one, did you see?
Oh, no, I didn't even talk about this one.
On Facebook as well, or even on the website if you go to the product.
Yeah.
Some people have done this piece of applique here.
In black.
And this piece here black.
And it looks like a road.
And they've done a white line down
with the satin stitch, they make a white satin stitch.
And it looks like a road.
And it looks so much like a road. Someone in the Facebook group was questioning where that design was with the road on the table runner. So it's not actually, it's a field of flowers. So that's what the design's called, field of flowers. And this is a 40% off. So these are done in rectangular panels, which are all then stitched together on your sewing machine. But you can make that look like any sort of field of flowers. It could be just roses.
That's right.
Like smaller
a lovely lavender.
Yeah.
Fields.
And you might not even be able to see it there, but there's appliqued flowers on the forefront. So that looks like it's in the foreground of the field. Yeah. So that's beautiful. So that's our 40% spring sale.
Yeah, so that runs till the 1st of October.
That's right. So you've still got a little bit of time, but start checking that out because 40% off is pretty good, even if it's not spring.
And if there's designs that you are hoping to go on sale, they could be on sale because we didn't have time to show you everything here.
That's right. Okay, so all the details for all the sew-alongs, all the designs will be listed below.
Yep.
I think that's all we've got time to talk about, Alison.
It is. It was nice seeing you all.
Have a good week. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
So if you've liked any products on the video this week, you can go to our website, which is swpea.com.